Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Figma has been releasing some cool updates lately. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to be talking about the Figma Eyedropper and how you can use it. To not miss updates like this, kindly hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. Let's say I want to add one of these colors to my variables or local style. All you need to do is to press I on your keyboard. Now, to add them to your local style or local variable, press Shift and Command if you're on Mac. Then you can press Enter or just click, and it's going to bring out this option where you can create your variable. If you want to create a style instead of a variable, you toggle to this section and then create a style name. So for now, to create a variable, so I'm just going to give this, let's say this is our brand, and this is our primary color for our brand. So now I'm going to create this variable. And let's look at the variables now. If I should come in here, you'd see our primary color and the brand. This is very handy. And one other thing, I'm going to press I on my keyboard, and we can also switch between different color modes by pressing Tab on your keyboard. That's above the cap lock. You see, I'm switching between RGB and hexadecimal and other modes that is available in Figma.